How to learn English fast. Simple daily routine. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt that English is too difficult to learn? Don't worry, you are not alone. The good news is that anyone can learn English with the right daily routine. Today I will show you a simple method that you can follow every day. Step 1. Learn 10 new words daily. Start your day by learning just 10 new English words. Write them in a notebook, learn their meanings, and make one sentence with each word. In 1 month, you will know around 300 new words. Step 2. Listen to English for 20 minutes. Listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, or simple stories. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your ears will gradually get used to English. Step 3. Speak every day. Speaking is the key to fluency. Stand in front of mirror and talk for 5 to 10 minutes. Introduce yourself, describe your day, or speak about your favorite topic. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help you improve. Step 4. Read for 15 minutes. Read simple English stories, newspaper articles, or children books. Reading improves your vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Step 5. Write every word. Write a short paragraph or keep daily diary in English. Even 5 sentences every day can make a big difference over time. Remember, consistency is more important than studying for many hours. Even 1 hour every day can help you to become confident in English. If you follow this routine for just 30 days, you will notice better vocabulary, better speaking skill, and a great confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also tell me in the comment what is your biggest challenge in learning English. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.